Let y'all peep this island. Nighttime. Pull up. What's it called? Pulling up right here. Let me show y'all how to really pull up. Y'all know how we do it. In the block. We call spinning the block. Look at that boat right there. You know what they say? The fruit of my labor. And all the high hitters is parked on deck, ready to roll. We even got a vet over there on deck. Everything ready to go. Getting ready to eat some dinner. I'm just ride and kick it with y'all for a minute. Shakur, yeah, shout out to the champ. Somebody say shout out to Shakur Stevenson. He here with me right now. Yeah, the champ is in the house. Deal with this ass whooping we got for him next. But when fighters are scared to fight. But you know, at some point we got to separate the lie from the preparation because when it's as good as it is right now and the money this good, ain't no. Y'all know who I'm talking to. Let's get it while the getting is good. I got love for all the homies, but it's business though, you know? It ain't personal. It's business. Got time to get no suckers, no attention today. Yeah. No attention. Talk to your mammy. That'll give you some attention. Y'all like to share visions and dreams and shit with the homies. I like to set fire to the hearts of those that I know the opportunity and just inspiration to go and be great. So that's what it's about. Yeah, this wind is blowing hard out here. But you know, that's God business. We can't control that. We're on our way. Goddamn Memphis. I want everybody to come out of Memphis. But we're gonna crank up. Go home at birthday. You know what I mean? We're gonna crank up. Y'all know it's been a beautiful year so far. So, and I got to pull my car up right up here, pull it up, and park it, and then there we go. That's what you call parking your car on Prince Island. See, you got them everywhere right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. They're all over there, all over the place. Ready for family and friends to come out here and ride with me. The car's on deck. I just need the homies to show up. And we're gonna show them how we do it. Let me get out of this loop right here, and I'm gonna show y'all how this place look at night. How you pull up in those. Set his party off. I think he say this Friday and Saturday. Y'all be there, be square. Y'all know how we go hard when we do that. So let's go. I want to see homies come in from around the world. Let's get ready to make that pop. Set it off for the homie. What we're doing, we're going to pick the elite few, and then we're going to come out here and set it off real soon. A real G-Day. How about that? Yeah, we just